Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to showing images in Brave browser on your PC. It's very important and simple. When your Brave browser are disabled image displaying mode, then you need to enable this. Now follow me to see how it's work. Let's start. First open Brave browser on your PC. Then go to top right corner of the screen and then click on 3-bar menu. Then at the bottom, click on settings. Now go to left side and click on privacy and security. From here, click on site and shell settings. Now scroll down and click on images. Under the image tab, you can see two behavior options. One is don't allow sites to show image. If you selected this, then your Brave browser don't show image in any web page. To display image, select sites can show images. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.